Welcome to Diamond Solutions for Mathematics. Now we are discussing the mathematics of 10th standard, especially trigonometry. Yeah, among trigonometry, we are been discussing the identities and its alternatives. And now there are so many questions which makes confusion for the students that are using identities of trigonometry and its alternatives. We have to simplify so many expressions given. One of that type of question is here. Prove the following expression: cot theta plus cosec theta minus 1 by cot theta minus cosec theta plus 1 equals 1 plus cos theta by sin theta. I am taking the LHS part. Cot theta plus cosec theta minus 1 by cot theta minus cosec theta plus 1. That is, instead of 1, we can consider an identity that includes cot theta and cosec theta. Therefore, cot theta plus cosec theta minus 1. Instead of 1, I am putting cosec square theta minus cot square theta. By denominator has not changed, cot theta minus cosec theta plus 1. Therefore, the numerator here a square minus b square, we have to consider the expansion of that a square minus b square as factors a plus b into a minus b. Here, cot theta plus cosec theta, first term, minus this term is expanded as cosec theta plus cot theta into cosec theta minus cot theta as factors. Not expanded form of this one, but factors. A square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b. By denominator has no change, cot theta minus cosec theta plus 1. Here, this numerator, among the numerator, we can take the common factor cot theta plus cosec theta. If we take a cot theta plus cosec theta common factor outside, then here remains, instead of this term, 1 minus of cosec theta minus cot theta. Minus of cot theta, cosec theta minus cot theta is minus when we take inside the brackets, minus cosec theta plus cot theta. This will become minus and this will become positive. Therefore, cot theta plus cosec theta into 1 minus of cosec theta plus cot theta minus 1 into cosec theta minus cot theta. Cot theta plus cosec theta common factor outside. Therefore, here instead of this term I am putting my 1 and minus here remains, this one is taken as the common factor outside and therefore minus of this cosec theta becomes negative and this cot theta becomes positive. That is minus 1 into cosec theta and plus cos theta, cot theta, by cot theta minus cosec theta plus 1. Cot theta plus cosec theta here, I am rearranging the terms, plus cot theta here into cot theta minus cosec theta and this one plus 1 here. Similar to the denominator cot theta minus cosec theta plus 1. Here I am once more explaining cot theta plus cosec theta minus cosec theta plus cot theta into cosec theta minus cot theta. In this expanded form, this one is the first term and this whole thing is the second term. Among these, the common factor is cot theta plus cosec theta. Therefore, cot theta plus cosec theta as common factor outside, Therefore, cot theta plus cosec theta common factor taken out. Here remains 1 minus of cosec theta minus cot theta. 1 minus of cosec theta minus cot theta is 1 minus cosec theta plus cot theta. That is 1 minus cosec theta plus cot theta by cot theta minus cosec theta plus 1. I think that everyone knows this expression very well. Therefore, cot theta plus cosec theta common factor, and here I am arranging this term plus cot theta first, minus cosec theta second, and plus 1 as third. Why? Because the denominator is like that: cot theta first, minus cosec theta second, plus 1 last. Such a way I arranged this term here: cot theta minus cosec theta plus 1. Therefore, cot theta minus cosec theta plus 1 in the denominator, and this term are same. Therefore, cot theta plus cosec theta into cot theta minus cosec theta plus 1 by cot theta minus cosec theta plus 1. These two terms cut. Therefore, here remains cot theta plus cosec theta. That is cot theta, we already know that, cos theta by sin theta. Therefore, instead of cot theta, I put cos theta by sin theta plus cosec, instead of cosec theta, 1 by sin theta. Denominators are same, sin theta. Therefore, cos theta plus 1 by sin theta. That is cos theta plus 1 by sin theta equals RHS. 1 plus cos theta is same as cos theta plus 1. Therefore, cos theta plus 1 by sin theta equals RHS. Hence proved.